By the end of this short video, you will know how to use every offset command in AutoCAD. Before you can begin using the tool, you need to have some sort of geometry to use it on, and this can be a line, a rectangle, or any kind of polygon. To begin using the offset tool, you can click on this icon at the top of the screen in the modify section, or alternatively you can type O and then space or enter to confirm. Now the tool is out, you can define the size of your offset using the input field just underneath your cursor. Here you'll see it highlighted in blue, and there's three ways of defining this length. First off, you can type in the number and press enter, and then when you use it on geometry, an offset will be created at that distance. Upon selecting the geometry, you'll be able to move your mouse in whatever direction you like around the screen, and you'll see different previews of the outcomes. All you need to do after that is just click one more time for your offset. Beforehand I used the 500 to select my distance, but alternatively when we're selecting the offset distance you can click twice rather than typing in a number, and the distance between either click defines how big your offset will be. Lastly, the third way of defining your distance while using the tool is to use the through prompt at the bottom here by clicking on it or by typing T and space, and this will allow you to first select the geometry you're looking to offset and then define the overall distance while getting a preview of what it will look like whilst you move your mouse. Much like with the mirror tool, we also have the opportunity to delete the source object after the offset is complete, and we do this with the erase prompt here in the command line, or obviously type in E and spacebar. Now we can select yes, and then when we do our offset, you'll notice that the last one has been deleted. This is toggleable, so you need to make sure that you turn it off again next time that you use the command. And last but not least, if you're using a figure to offset, such as 500, once the geometry has been selected, you can then press on multiple at the bottom here or using M, and this will allow you to create multiple offsets by continuously clicking in one direction. And as you can see, the offset tool works on lines, circles, rectangles, and just about everything. If you found this helpful, then subscribe. I've got new CAD tutorials out every week, and if you want access to all of these architectural blocks and hatches, then check the form in the description. Once filled out, the file will automatically be sent to you.